comes with its ancient tune. The tide it pulls like a restless moon. Sand on my feet, I feel the earth sigh. Each grain a secret, a reason why. I see the shadows dance, they twist and play. Will they fade or will they stay? Gates of tomorrow swing so wide. Where do they lead? Where do they hide? Open the gates, let the truth collide. Gates of tomorrow, take me inside. Through the haze I see a golden hue, a place I know but feels brand new. Time bends, it folds, it slips away, but the gates stand still, they never sway. Flipping pages torn and frayed. In the corner where memories fade. Ink smudged dreams on a yellow sheet. Time whispers slow where hearts once meet. Pages of life turn slow, turn slow. Stories we hide still glow, still glow. Every tear alive, every smile arrive. In the pages of life we find our time. Sun drops slow like a heavy crown. Shadows stretch where the streets bow down. Drums keep talking while the people move slow. Roots tempo rising high tonight. Feel the fire, feel the light. Roots tempo, we hold it tight. Bassline rolling like a river deep. Echoes dance where the spirits sleep. The wind hums low through the ancient tree. Roots tempo rising high tonight. Feel the fire, feel the light. Roots tempo, we hold it tight. Smoke curls up like a secret prayer. The rhythm shakes the heavy air. Step by step, we climb somewhere. Roots tempo rising high tonight. Feel the fire, feel the light. Roots tempo, we hold it tight. Whoa. When the clouds them roll in the sky, my heart still strong, my spirits can't die. The rain it fall, but my roots dig deep. A soldier heart, no time for sleep. Say me guide, me guide, me guide. Through the storm, the fire, the tide. Say me guide, me guide, me guide. Jah light me path, me soul abide. The moonlight whispers secrets so old, while the rhythm run warm, the night feel cold. My eyes them sharp, my vision so clear. The lion within me no fear. Step by step, me walk me road. Heavy the weight, but me carry the load. Say me guide, me guide, me guide. Through the storm, the fire, the tide. Say me guide, me guide, me guide. Jah light me path, me soul abide. drums them echo like thunder roll. A beat for the body, a beat for the soul. The bassline bounce like a heart that lives. A gift of life, Jah love to give.
Planted seeds in the soil, watching them grow tall, rising up against the odds, never fear the fall. Roots run deep in the earth, nature's silent call. Smoke of roots rising high, reaching out to the sky. Ancient stories in the wind, asking us why. In the heart of the rhythm, we'll never say goodbye. Sunsets paint the horizon, colors swirling bright.
shine while the wicked sleep. Stone upon stone build a righteous land. The drum beat guide the work of man. Echoes in the valley tell a tale. Them who a fight the righteous always fail. Hear the rhythm carry on the breeze. Freedom chant dancing through the trees. What them a say? What them a say? Fire burn the lies, make the truth display. What them a say? What them a say? Stand tall, me brethren, no time for play. What them a say when the lion roar? Them a run, them a hide, but the heart still sure. What them a say in the final hour? Righteousness a fi stand with power. let the wisdom grow. One love, one light, one beating drum. Fire Zion, here I come.
A rebel's cry. Tree them bow, but they don't say why. The earth, she shiver, she shake, she groan, like she tired of carrying this heavy stone. Lion in the storm, him still stand tall. Him no fear the rain, him no fear the squall. Roar break the sky like thunder call. Lion in the storm, him face it all. Face it all. Like cymbals clash, lightning flash like a camera splash. River rise but the roots dig deep. Heart of the jungle, it never sleep. Who go run? Who gon' stay? Who gon' fight till the break of day? Lion in the storm, him still stand tall. No fear the rain, him no fear the squall. Roar break the sky like thunder call. Lion in the storm, him face it all. Face it all. Face it all. Echo bounce like a drum beat lost. Every game come with a little cost. These stars hide but they still shine through. Darkness fall but it can't stop you. Echo bounce like a drum beat lost. Every game come with a little cost. These stars hide but they still shine through. Darkness fall but it can't stop you.
up you now. The sun can't shine if you don't allow. Open up your soul. The rhythm not stop till you make it whole. The drum call out, but you turn away. Them beats they beg you come and play. A breeze whisper low through the bamboo trees, but your heart now listen to the melody. Open up you now. The sun can't shine if you don't allow. Open up your soul. The rhythm not stop till you make it whole. You can't fight the tide, it rise and fall. The waves them crash, but still they call. You silence a wall, but music a key. Let the bass line set your spirit free. Open up you now. The sun can't shine if you don't allow. Open up your soul. The rhythm not stop till you make it whole. Sunrise creeping over Kingston town. Hear the music, sweet music, feel it all around. Rasta love is the only way. Rasta love can save the day. Rasta love is here to stay. Yeah. Babylon falling, Jah light shining through. Open up your heart now, let love rain on you. Rasta love is the only way. Rasta love can save the day. Rasta love is here to stay. Yeah. No more fighting, no more war. Just open up that loving door. One heart, one love forevermore. Give thanks. Rasta love is the only way. Rasta love can save the day. Rasta love is here to stay. Yeah.
right and true. The earth she whispers morning dew. The sky a canvas blue so wide. We walk with Jah right by our side. Rise your eyes, see the light. Step out bold into the fight. Feel the rhythm, hold it tight. Rise your eyes, see the light. Rivers flowing, ancient songs. Mountains standing proud and strong. Every heartbeat a rebel drum. Tell me where the courage from. It's in the roots, it's in the ground. Feel it pulse, feel it sound. Rise your eyes, see the light. Step out bold into the fight. Feel the rhythm, hold it tight. Rise your eyes, see the light. 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 Winds a whisper, truth to hear. Shadows fade when love appears. Lift your head, wipe the tear. The path is clear. The path is near. Rise your eyes, see the light. Step out bold into the fight. Feel the rhythm, hold it tight. Rise your eyes, see the light. 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 Sunrise creeping on my window ledge. Truth whispers soft like a river's edge. The world keeps spinning, but the vibe won't change. A sacred rhythm, steady and strange. Sacred Irie, feel the flow. Roots grow deep where the breezes blow. Sacred Irie, let it show. One love arising, let the spirit glow. Smoke curls up, dancing to the sky.
questions linger, but we never ask why. Drums keep talking, their language divine, echoes of Zion, crossing the line. We hold the fire burning bright, through the dark we find the light. takes the wheel. Tough like the iron that the fire can't peel. The wind it howls, but I don't bend. Tough like the start of a story that won't end. Tough like, oh tough like me, standing tall like a rooted tree. Tough like, oh can't you see, nothing breaks what's meant to be. Tough like, oh tough like me, standing tall like a rooted tree. Tough like, oh can't you see, nothing breaks what's meant to be. The rain it falls, but I stay dry. The storm it rages, but I don't cry. Tough like the mountain touching the sky. Tough like a truth that won't tell a lie. Every beat, every bassline steady and sure. Tough